Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone 13 Pro Max Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and the GPS connections. So first of all, you can see here there are three sides here. One side baseband top, another side core bottom and another side core top. Here is all connection given to another part. You can define every line for network connection. All connection has given here, so you can screenshot to your screen because this video is very short. However, thanks for watching this video.